Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting straight to the point. Confirm the admin password for the target account and make sure unsaved work is saved and apps are closed. Once done, use the Apple menu and choose Log Out, or click the fast user switching name or icon in the menu bar to reveal accounts. You do this because switching without closing critical apps risks data loss. Make sure File Vault or iCloud settings won't interrupt the next sign-in. You sign into the chosen user account by selecting it on the login screen and entering the password or using Touch ID. This is the critical core step. If File Vault is enabled, allow time for the disk to decrypt so Mac OS can fully load the user session. Once logged in, verify the desktop, dock, and system preferences reflect the target user's settings. This ensures you've made that account the active, current user and avoids working in the wrong environment. You finish by confirming file and app access, ensuring iCloud and preferences are intact. Reopen apps as necessary. If you want this account to be the default interactive user, go to System Settings Users and Groups to adjust login options and fast user switching. If something goes wrong, for example, the login hangs or the session fails, restart into safe mode, or reset nvram/smc to clear hardware-level issues. This common fix often restores clean login behavior without data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.